Okay, right now in my bank account, I have negative $300. But 6 months ago, I had a plan. I was going to become an investor. This was a mistake. So here's the thing. 6 months ago, 3 in the morning, I'm lying in bed, scrolling Instagram, and then, bam, an ad. A guy, 23 years old, standing next to a Lamborghini. Quote, "I make money while I sleep.
Wow!
Just invest right, bro." And I'm like, you know what? I also want to make money while I sleep. Because right now, I work while I'm not sleeping. And that sucks. The next day, I woke up with a mission. Open Google, typed, "How to invest for beginners." First result, 10 rules of successful investing. Rule number 1, only invest free money. Okay, I have $700 in my account. 500 of that is for rent, but 200 is technically free, right? Logic. Rule number 2, diversify your portfolio. I didn't even know how to spell that, but it sounds professional. 3 hours later, I'm watching the 37th YouTube video. Title, "Cryptocurrency will explode the market in 2024. Guys screaming at the camera. Charts everywhere. I understand maybe 5%, but he looks confident. And that's what matters, right? So, I did my research. See? Notes. Bitcoin? Good. Tesla stock? Elon cool. What is NFT? Scientific approach. Downloaded an app. Robinhood. The name inspires trust. Robinhood. Good guy. Registration. Card linked. And here, I'm looking at the buy button. Hands shaking. This is real money. But I hear the voice of that guy with the Lamborghini. Just invest right, bro. Bought. $200 in a cryptocurrency called She-Baby Doge Moon Rocket. It had a picture of a puppy in space. How can this fail? 5 minutes. 10 minutes. My $200 turned into $198. What? Where did $2 go? Oh, commission. Nobody told me about this. But okay, I'm an investor now. Checking the chart every 3 minutes? At work. In the bathroom. Behind the wheel. Kidding, not behind the wheel. Sometimes at traffic lights. A week later, a miracle happens. My $198 turned into $220. $20 profit!
Woohoo!
I'm a financial genius! Calling mom. Mom, I'm an investor! She's like, "That's nice, honey. Did you pay rent?" Yeah, kind of. The next 2 weeks, I'm obsessed. Subscribe to 35 investment channels. Everyone says something different. This one, sell Bitcoin. This one, buy Bitcoin. This one, Bitcoin is an illusion. Which one of you is right? But then, I find him. Telegram channel, Millionaire's Secret Signals. Admin writes, "Tomorrow green tech future stock will grow 300%.
Whoa!
Insider information. Access only for the chosen ones. Subscription, $50 a month. But if I make 300%, math. Paid." Next day, I invest my remaining $300 in green tech future. 1 hour. Stock drops 2%. Normal. Market fluctuations. 2 hours. Minus 8%. 3 hours. Minus 15%. What's happening? Checking the news. Green tech future accused of fraud. Stock crashed. Millionaire's Secret Signals. Of course, trying to contact the channel admin. "Hi, what happened with green tech?" Reading his bio. "Not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk." Great. At this point, my portfolio was $500. Now, $180. Plus, I owe $50 for the subscription. And rent is overdue. Landlord, not answering. Turning off phone. But you know what's the funniest part? I still believe. Deep down, I'm thinking, maybe the next investment is the one. This is addiction! Okay, reset. Deciding to do everything right. Taking a real book. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham.
Wow!
First page. Investing is a long-term strategy. Requires patience, discipline, and understanding of fundamental analysis. Boring, but right. Spending 2 days reading. Learning about P/E ratios, book value, dividends. Real notes, no puppies. And I realize I was doing everything wrong. Investing isn't a casino. It's not get rich quick. It's patience. Okay, new strategy. Investing remaining money in S&P 500 index fund. Diversified, stable, long-term. Invested last $150. And now, I just wait. Day 1, not checking. Day 2, not checking. Day 3, maybe just once, plus $2. Progress. Week later, plus $5. Month later, plus $12.
Woohoo!
This is working? Slowly, but working. And then I realized, all these months, I was chasing a myth. Myth number 1, investing equals quick money. No. Myth number 2, you need to know a secret formula. The secret is patience and research. Myth number 3, the guy with the Lamborghini knows more than you. He's selling courses. He makes money on you. Reality? Investing is boring, but in a good way. You invest a little, wait for years, don't worry every day. Not sexy, but it works. 6 months have passed since the beginning. My portfolio? $170, minus $330 from the initial $500. But I learned. Learned to read charts, understand risks, not believe guys with Lamborghinis. And you know what? Next paycheck, I'll invest again. A little in S&P 500 and wait 10 years. Maybe by 40, I'll buy a used Honda? Dreams come true, friends. So that's the whole story. I didn't become the Wolf of Wall Street. Didn't even become a hamster. Maybe Plankton of Wall Street? The lesson is learned. If you're thinking about investing, that's cool, really cool. But remember, 1, only invest what you can afford to lose. 2, no she baby Doge moon rocket. 3, patience is your best friend. 4, if someone promises 300% in a week, it's a scam. And 5, learn, read, don't repeat my mistakes. Or repeat them, but at least laugh at them. I wish your investments grow slowly but surely, that you never check your portfolio at 3 in the morning in cold sweat, and that someday, in about 20 years, you look at your account and think, wow, I did good. If this video hit that like button. If you want more stories about my financial failures, subscribe. And remember, we all make mistakes. The main thing is to learn from them. See you in the next video, where I'll possibly tell you how I tried to become a day trader. Spoiler, even worse. Bye!